In the previous topic, we familiarized ourselves with the different types of data sources that we can connect to Power BI desktop. In this one, let's look at how we can connect an Excel file. So to connect an Excel file, go to File and click on Excel and then click on Connect. Then browse to the location where your data is present and select the data. So here I am selecting sales data and click Open. So it will start connecting to that data file. And one important thing to note here is Power BI is only connected to your database. It does not upload the whole file. If you move your file from that particular location, then Power BI will not be able to connect to it and it will not answer your queries. So it's very important to remember that Power BI only connects to the resource location. So whatever your data source be it SQL Server or Google Analytics, it will be connected in this form. So you will be able to see your file name displayed over here and below that are the worksheets within that file. Salesdata.xls is my file name and these are the sheets within that file. What I have to do is just select the worksheet and you will be able to see the preview on the right side. So what I'm trying to show here is if you have a workbook with more than one sheet, then each of those sheets will be uploaded individually and you will be able to see those sheets over here. Okay, so let me select these files. Now if there is any sheet that you do not want to upload, you can simply go over here and uncheck those sheets. Now if you look over here, you will be able to see three options: load, transform data and cancel. With load, you can directly upload your data. Suppose there is no tweaking that is required within your data and everything is perfect, then you can directly load your data to Power BI. Now, if I want to make any changes to my data, suppose the date format is not proper and I want to change that, then you can choose the second option, that is transform data. We'll look at it in detail later. For now, let's click on load. So you can see that all the details are being fetched from that particular workbook. It's now ready to show your database over here. So you can see that on my right under fields, only those two selected worksheets are appearing. If you click here, you can see that all your data is being shown here in a very simple pivot table format. You can very easily select the header and the corresponding report will get generated. So suppose I want to know the product wise quantity. So all I need to do is click on this product type and the quantity. So all I'm doing is choosing my headers under this field area and you can see that the report is ready. So it's that simple and easy. And I can also convert it into any type of chart by just clicking over here. So this is how you connect your data to Power BI. Next we'll see how to connect a CSV file to Power BI.